If you're seeing X or Twitter error 64, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step on your PC. This error usually means your account has been suspended, restricted, or something in your browser is preventing X from loading correctly. So we'll walk through the most common fixes, starting with checking your account status, then clearing browser data, disabling any interfering extensions or VPNs, and finally submitting an appeal if your account really has been restricted. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to x.com. Sign in with your X or Twitter account like you normally would. If your account has been suspended or restricted, X may show you a warning banner, a notice, or a message explaining that something has limited your access. This is important because error 64 is often tied to account status rather than just a browser problem. So take a moment to check whether you can actually see any suspension notice or account warning. If everything looks normal but the error is still showing, the next thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted site data can cause X to load incorrectly or trigger false errors. In Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser, then go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. Make sure to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying X again. Now, let's move on to extensions, because ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with X in the background. In your browser, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner to view your extensions. Temporarily disable anything that could block scripts, track requests, or alter web pages. That includes ad blockers, anti-tracking tools, and any browser privacy shields. If you are using a VPN, turn that off temporarily as well. In some cases, X may block or limit access when it detects unusual network activity, so disconnecting the VPN can instantly solve the problem. Once those are disabled, refresh the page and test X again. If error 64 still appears and you've confirmed that your account is suspended or restricted, then the next step is to submit an appeal to X support. If you're already logged into the affected account, follow any on-screen prompts that appear for support or review. If you do not see a prompt, search for the X Help Center in your browser and look for the appeal or support form. Open the appeal form, fill in your details carefully, and explain the issue clearly and politely. If the form asks for account information, provide it exactly as requested. After you submit it, keep an eye on your Gmail inbox, because X may respond there with updates or next steps. The key thing to remember is that error 64 can come from either an account restriction or a browser-side issue. That's why the best fix is to go in order. Check account status, clear browser data, disable extensions and VPNs, and then appeal if needed. In many cases, one of those steps is enough to get your account working again. If this video helped you fix X or Twitter error 64, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.